right there. Thanks for tuning in to Brainfood Brand Honey. My name's Joy. You guys are gonna watch how we make sugar scrub.
What's up? We're at Walmart now and we're gonna go in and get our ingredients for the scrub. Hey guys, so today we're gonna be making our body scrub. We're gonna take you through the process of how to make it, and you guys are just gonna come along for the ride. The first thing we're gonna put in it is some bricks of espresso. It has vitamin B3 in it, it has anti-aging benefits, and it helps to reduce the appearance of cellulite. We're also going to use some raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. That's going to work as an astringent. It minimizes your pore size, and it will balance out your skin's pH level. This one's for our Australian viewers. We have some 100% pure Australian tea tree oil, which is going to be antimicrobial and antibacterial. And then we have some sweet almond oil, which is pretty similar to your skin's natural oil, and it's going to treat your dry skin and boost the moisture while also helping to even out your skin tone. And then we're going to use some cinnamon, which is going to even out your skin tone, and it's also going to stimulate the blood flow and make your skin appear plumper.
Plumper.
And then we're going to use some Brainfood brand honey, and we're going to use the crystallized version, but this is what it started off as. Honey is antibacterial, it's full of antioxidants, and it also can boost your collagen production in your skin. So now that we know what ingredients we're working with, we're going to start weighing them all out and then eventually mixing them all together. We're going to start off by weighing this honey right here. We're just going to tare the scale, bring it to 0. Now that the honey's weighed, we're going to work on weighing everything else. We're going to start with the coffee. We're going to do 20 ounces of the coffee grounds. So you can see that this is ground up really small, the espresso versus regular ground coffee, which is good because you don't want to get like micro tears in your skin. You don't want to be damaging your skin, so the finer the abrasion is, the better. I'm going to do 20 ounces total, which is 2 bricks. So here's our other 10 ounces. Mix this bad boy up. Let's do this smart. Start by wetting the powder. I'm scared. I don't want powder going in. So we're going to do 8 ounces of the apple cider vinegar. Measuring that out now. Dump this. Okay. You don't want to add too much because apple cider vinegar is like really strong. It's really pungent. Okay, next we're in with the sweet almond oil, which we're going to do 8 ounces. 4 ounces. They keep jipping me, these people. I'm trying to say it's 4 ounces when it's not 4 ounces. We're probably going to do about 7.5 ounces. Right on the dot. There we go. And then we're using 2 ounces of tea tree oil. We're just gonna pour it right in there. And this is my favorite part. Oh my god. Potent. Alright, so now we're gonna mix it all up. Cody's doing it because he's the muscle man. So that's how we make our espresso scrub, and now let's get on to bottling. So we're gonna do like a little swatch test or whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna put some on my skin, and throughout the drying process I'll know if it burns, but it shouldn't burn. It's gonna be safe on the skin, and I have sensitive skin myself, so it gets red if it's irritated. So let's test this stuff out. There it is. So far the mask feels fine. It got like a little tickly for a second, but that's just because it was dripping. I was just feeling it move. Yeah, we make masks that move. These are our scrubs. We started filling them in Cody's recycled jars because we like to treat the planet with care. Reduce, reuse, recycle. So we're gonna do a little giveaway, and Cody's gonna tell you guys the rules, but you guys will win one of these scrubs, 1 jar of honey, and a nice, authentic, handmade, hand-embroidered Brainfood hat made with love from Cody.
That's right, that's right. So what we're gonna do is, like Alyssa said, we're doing 1 jar of honey, your choice. We're gonna do a hat, and we're gonna do 1 scrub. You guys want to know how to enter to win this contest. Okay, so you have to do 3 things. Really simple. Send this video, click the share, copy the link, send it to 10 people. Any 10 people. You just send it to 10 people. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. That's rule number 2. And the 3rd rule, all you have to do is comment done. Hey Cody, I completed the challenge. And then just comment in the comments right here. I'm done. That's all you got to do. 3 things. Send it to 10 people. Make sure you're subscribed with the bell notification on my channel. And then when you do those 2 things, then you go down to the bottom and comment done. That's all you got to do. At the end of 2 weeks, we're going to choose a winner, and you guys will be getting your stuff.
So my skin feels perfectly normal. The only thing you'll notice if you like leave it on is that it'll start to like slide, and that's what I feel on my face, is a little bit of the sliding. But you're supposed to kind of just take some, use circular motions and just scrub your body and then rinse it off. not necessarily leave it on, but this is just to demonstrate that it won't burn your skin, it won't harm your skin. Yeah. Should I wipe it off and see if it's red? Thanks for watching how we make our espresso scrub. I hope you guys enjoy coming along for the process. Feel free to join the giveaway, or you can order your own at www.honeywiththebees.com. Thanks for watching.